Hi everyone, it's Tammy and I'm doing another quarantined card, and today I'm using a stamp set from, or a stamp from Unity Stamp Company, and this is called Queen of the Universe, and it has this cute image and it says it's not easy being the queen of the entire frickin' universe. I think it's cute. And this is the card that I made, and then I'm going to make another one with a round image, and then I've already stamped it on the inside. So first thing I did was I took a piece, well, first thing I made an A2 sized card. And for those of you who might not know, this is an 8.5 by 11 piece of paper that I scored down the middle and then I cut it down the middle. So it turns out to be 4.25 by 5.5 when it's folded. That's called an A2 size. And then I also embossed it with a really neat embossing folder that makes it kind of look like a, I don't know, I think it looks like a queen's chair or whatever. What's that called? I can't think. But like a tuffet or something. I think it looks really cool. So I'm going to put that on front. And then before I do that, I also thought I'd add some ribbon. So I just cut off a piece of ribbon to go across the front of the card. These scissors are obviously not the best. And then I'm just going to go ahead, and I just ran this through my embossing Big Shot, or my Big Shot. It's not embossing Big Shot. It's a Big Shot. It does the embossing and it also does die cuts. And then I'm going to take this and put it toward the bottom. Just like that. And then I'm going to take my tape again and put it right across that ribbon so that I know that it will stay down. And then I'm just going to center this on top. And this is a piece of Watermelon Wonder, and it is cut at 4 by 5.25, so it's 1/4 of an inch smaller on both sides than the card base, and it just gives a nice border around it. And then I thought that we would color her. I went ahead and stamped her, obviously, and I'm going to color her. And I'm using 2 different shades of like aqua blue to color her shirt in. This is the darker of the two. So I'm just going to go around the edges and follow the lines that they already have in there for shading. And I don't care if I go over the buttons because I'm going to touch them up with something else. And then once you have the shirt done, I'm going to go in with my lighter shade and color all of it in. And then I took a pink that's similar to the watermelon pink, and I'm just going to color in the dots of her skirt. And then I'm taking a, oh, let's do her face and arms. I'm going to take the lightest color She has a bracelet on, so I'm leaving that blank. Coloring her face, and then I'm going to take the darker one and go around. Where I feel like it would be a little darker. Just like that. I'm going to take the pink again and do her lips. And then I'm going to take a silver glitter marker and do her belt, the buttons, the bracelet, and the earring. There's all of that. And then I'm going to take another one of, or I'm going to take the marker again, the blue or green or whichever one you want to use. The darker or the lighter of the two that I'm choosing. It doesn't matter which one. And I'm just going around the edge like that. And this will go on here. I might do this one straight. I'm just going to glue it on. I know this is super simple and you could do it lots of different ways, but I am making a lot of cards for some of the people that I work with because they have all been they've been able to work and they're just doing some kick butt things, and I wanted to send them a card to let them know that they're appreciated. So I think that these are really cute. So here are the cards for today. Thanks for watching, and I hope that you have a wonderful day. Take some time to enjoy yourselves. Bye-bye.